our sort of little chapel. And this is the entrance from sort of halfway up the stairs. So when you come in through those doors, and you come up halfway, and then you keep walking up to the piano nobile. Excuse these little marks. I've had masks and glasses on to be safe because it's dusty. So we have a palazzo. So there, that is going to be our master bedroom, and then it has a little bridge. This bridge we're going to take down. One, it looks horrible, and two, I hit my head on it because it's too low. It's not made for people over 5 feet. And then there's stairs here to go up to the other side. That door and window are closed from the inside. There's a big wall built in front of it that we will be taking down, and we will replace both of those, hopefully, with big opening doors, because that's our dining room, and we want to be able to have like sort of a indoor-outdoor place. Here's a little deposito, little secret area. I think this rusty rectangle here might have been the door to it, but I'm going to move this stuff and take a look inside. There's like an old toilet. I mean, not hooked up, just like, I think they just threw stuff in it. It's like the junk drawer. But we're going to clean that up. And then this, we were told, was a fish pond. Right now, it's only where broom brushes swim. So I've got one broom brush so far. We'll see how many I want to raise in my broom brush pool. And so wish me luck. I'm going in there. Okay, people. I just found a secret passageway. I don't know to what, but I found it. And it was in this place I just said I was going to go in. I moved this door. And I moved this one, which I believe used to be the door for this. Inside, see if it'll adjust. There's like some old, maybe kitchen cabinets, an old sink. There are so many old sinks here, but I would say not in storage because there seems to be a pipe there. A toilet. I don't think that's where that was used. We have some swim fins, half of a broken top. My true treasure here, which is what I've been looking for, a wine bottle. I've been planning on buying one for the house for decoration. I had one, so I don't have to buy it. And then we've got some old tiles, some of the cotto, which is like the terracotta tiles, and some of the patterned cement tiles. I don't know what else is in here. I had to stop because I was seeing too much pigeon poop. In fact, it's a very old pigeon carcass, or it's somebody had a Cornish game hen and left it in there. I'm guessing on pigeon, but who knows. So anyway, there is a big hole in the floor, and it seems to go beyond just a hole. I thought maybe it was just a shaft at first, but maybe it's under this whole space. But there's a giant block of marble over it, and I'm pretty sure I will either pick that up and it would fall on top of me, or I'd pick it up and then fall down the hole, and then it would fall down the hole on top of me. And nobody knows this is here yet, so nobody would come looking for me. So I have to wait. I'm wondering what's under there. What could be under there? Maybe it's just like an old cellar, wine cellar, something. I don't know. It's got a low ceiling, but that doesn't mean much. Sicilians are historically short. I can't stand up in there. I'm 5'9" and shrinking, but I'm very excited. This is what, like, I never thought dreams would come true. And I don't mean like I've dreamt all my life for this. I mean like literally I've had dreams where I buy a house and I find out it's a magnificent house, and then I find out there's secret rooms with stuff in it that I want or that I can sell so I can go buy more stuff that I want. I don't know, like I've dreamt I opened a secret room we didn't know was there when we bought the house, and there were like 10 dining room sets. Who needs 10 dining room sets? But I was going to use it to buy family room sets, and I don't buy sets of anything. Anyway, follow if you want to know what's in the whole, I'm not gonna be able to get to that till this weekend because otherwise I'm here all alone. And like I said, you don't want to fall in the hole and die by falling marble. But boy, if I get my drone in there, I would, but I can't. Hole's too small. But I wish I could. All right, more later. All right, since you can't hear Matt at all. Is that weird? I'm gonna tell you that we're gonna go back in, we're on the mezzanine, and we're gonna go back in where I found the shaft to the hidden room. We've since been told by our fantastic gardener, Andrea, that there were also tunnels here in Piedimonte Etneo that were used during World War II. And he thinks maybe it could be that. I think maybe just a wine cellar or making use of a space. Or, you know, vampires.
Just a hole.
Or just a hole. It's not just a hole. I know for sure it's not just a hole. It didn't just like collapse or anything. But we'll see. Let's take a look. Okay, masks off. We look like we had masks on. Matt's got like sweaty mask hair. Isn't he cute? And we've just cleaned. Oops, sorry. We've just cleaned a path to the hole. So Matt now believes that there is a hole and it does exist. He did believe me before, but he wasn't as excited before.
I don't know if it's a World War II tunnel or anything like that. But we'll see.
But we don't know that it isn't.
I'm happy to be surprised.
I mean, I'm hoping it's like a wine cellar and has, you know, 100-year-old bottle of wine that King Umberto I sent here. But I doubt it.
I think Italians like to have their wine a little more accessible than like lower a person down by rope to get it.
But it's hot here, so keeping it where it's cool would be a good thing. Anyway. We've cleared a path. We've let the dust settle so we can go in without our masks because there's no light. We're going to use the light of Matt's camera. This is like a high-end operation, guys. And I'm going to let Matt go first.
Awesome.
All right.
Step on the bottom.
How decrepit does that ladder look?
I mean,
You have to hire small, lightweight children to take our wine to the basement?
Yeah. No, it's nice.
All right. Hey, grab that yellow thing. That's for wine bottles. We can put this glass in there. Perfect. Ferrale. All right, so lots of headroom in here, which is great. And this is the big piece of marble. This is the second one we've seen like this with this sort of etching out of it. The gardener thinks that this is for butchering or for fish as well, because it has that burner, but who knows? Who knows? Who would use a beautiful piece of marble like that? Oh, already hit my head. All right, Matt, I'm gonna get close to the hole but not fall in it. I'm going down on one knee. You will have to help me up eventually. And we are going to look down our hole. So.
It's thick. It's like the concrete is
Can you,
foot and a half thick.
you point it to this direction? I think the wall ends there. If you want, I can go down on both knees. Let's readjust. This definitely was like a hatch. It has like a horn around it. And so I think it pretty much ends on this side.
Yeah. Feels like a 6-foot drop maybe to underneath the ceiling. About 8 feet from the floor to floor. A little bit much to.
If I can adjust my lighting down here. Go down. And go up. Good.
Go white pellets. There's gonna be white tape pellets. I can come down a little bit too. So we're seeing the far side of that there.
Stop. I gotta readjust. And maybe hold it like, you know, you have to go down if I. Okay. So is that the end there? That feels like the end.
Feels like the end, yeah.